Are you looking for a way to make your messages stand out in Discord? In this video, you'll learn how to make text bigger and bolder on Discord. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up Discord and then go over to any message box. This can be in direct messages or any text channel on a server. After that, click on that message box and simply type in the hashtag symbol. Then put a space. And then type the text that you want to make bigger and bolder. Once you've typed that in, just send it. As you can see, the text is bigger and bolder. By using this method, you can make other characters bigger and bolder as well. If you can't make text bigger and bolder using this method, then you have two different solutions to troubleshoot it. The first solution is to download Discord from the Microsoft Store. To do that, open up the Microsoft Store. Click the search bar at the top and search for Discord. After that, simply download and install Discord. Once that's installed, you can see if it has solved your issue or not. If you still can't send big and bold text, then let's move on to the final solution. Open up any web browser and search for Discord Big Text Generator. And then click on this exact search result. Once you are on this website, type your text in the left text box. Keep in mind that you have to use only lowercase to type your text. Once you've typed that in, copy all the text in the right side text box. And then go over to Discord and paste it in. And it will look like this. If you are using the Discord mobile app, then you can use this exact method to send bigger and bolder text. Simply type in the hashtag symbol, then put a space, then type in your text. And then just send it. And as you can see, that text is big and bold. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.